This is the ATAK in 2 video series. Data sync. Select the overflow menu. Find and select data sync. Select the ATAK server you wish to create the data feed on. Select the Add button to create a data feed. Enter a name for the data feed. Optionally, you can add a password, description and hashtags. Once complete, select Done to create the feed. To add content to the new data feed, select the Add button. There are several options to add content. We will use Map Select in this demonstration. Select items from the map. Selected items will appear in the window to the right. Once you have selected all the items you wish to add to the data feed, select Done. The selected items will be synced to the data feed. Select the Back button to get back to the map view. Thank you for watching.